Hi, I'm Darren Harker, Technical Sales Representative for Lincoln Electric UK, and I cover Northern England and North Wales. Today we'll be looking at our POWERTEC I synergic MIG welders alongside the FLUXOFIL 14HD Flux Cored Wire. We would class the POWERTEC I as our workhorse range of synergic inverter MIG welders, with this latest generation offering an improved ergonomic design with software to help make everyday workshop tasks a little bit easier for the operator. For the purpose of today's video, we'll be using the POWERTEC i420S along with the LF56D wire feed unit, 5 meter interconnections, the new Lincoln Pro MIG 300 MIG torch.
Hi, I'm Mark Slater. I'm the Key Account Manager for Automotive and Heavy Fabrication for Lincoln Electric UK. Today I'm going to talk to you about the FLUXOFIL HD range of seamless tubular cored wires. Lincoln Electric have over 50 years of expertise in seamless flux cored wire production, having registered the patent and produced the first seamless wires in 1968. FLUXOFIL seamless tubular cored wires meet the highest weldability and reliability expectations through their precisely selected microalloying elements and Lincoln Electric's unique production process. With a copper coating to ensure prolonged contact-tipped wear life, the HD range has a best-in-class deposition rate, combined with exceptional arc stability and operability, limiting the risk of adhesion or no fusion. Having a fast freezing slag which allows you to keep the molten weld pool vertically straight, FLUXOFIL 14HD allows the use of very strong welding parameters for a high deposition rate out of position.